Introducing the all-new Honda Fit 1.5 where affordability meets with power.
Hi, my name is Jeremiah and I'm from Auto Passion.
At the first glance, the Honda Fit may look the same as the previous generation. However, there are some important changes. Don't let its compact size fool you. Under the hood, it lies a 1.5-litre engine pushing out 118 horsepower and 142 Nm of torque, delivering a driving experience with efficiency and power. The front bumper received an upgrade, making it more stylish and aggressive looking. Safety is Honda's top priority. With Honda sensing technologies like the collision mitigation braking systems and lane keeping assist, which you can drive with confidence knowing that you and your passengers are protected in every mile of the journey. On the inside, the Honda Fit offers surprisingly a roomy interior. At the back seat, the Fit has ample leg room even for someone as tall as me, even more spacious than some of the SUV like the Yaris Cross. If you are looking for a budget-friendly and family car, look no further. The Honda Fit is the cheapest PI car in the market right now, offering the lowest monthly installment. So guys, don't miss out on the $20,000 savings today with the same quality and driving experience like the Honda Vezza by owning the Honda Fit today. My name is Jeremiah. Contact us for viewing and test drive today. See you at the next video.